Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon, and this is my show, English. Where is it? In the garden. Yep. Can you see this? I'm not in my garden actually. I'm in my library, and today, as usual, oh, I have an expression. It's a bit foreign, you know, for you to use when you communicate in the English language. That particular expression is per se. Per se. Per se means by or in itself. Is a is it sounds foreign. I mean, I would say this is Latin uh, or maybe French. I'm not sure, but I use it a lot when you know I do academic writing or formal use of the English language. Sometimes you say per se. Per se mean by or in itself. For example, you can use I like this particular coffee bar. It's not the coffee per se that motivates me to come and sit in the bar. Is the service, is the what we call the atmosphere, the quality of the service, is the cleanliness, is the warm air, the view, Sometimes we happen to be having coffee because not the coffee per se, not the coffee by itself, but something else. You will use this a lot in the in in uh, in formal use of the language, like in the course of law, the legal terms. It's not the price per se, it's something else. The quality of the service is the what we call you know the service itself is the many other factors. The reality is that when in causality, for example, when we make decision, we do so because of uh, several factors, several reasons for people to act or to behave in uh, certain way. It's not just one single factor. Um, because of we do things, we make decisions, we choose, we do not choose, we act, we do not act for a variety of factors or reason. It's not just one factor per se. It's not the price per se. It's not the coffee per se. Um, there are other reasons. There are other factors. So it's a bit, tricky. It's a bit academic, but it's really useful when you want to emphasize the fact that there are other reasons. The word is per se. Per se. It's not grammar per se that enable you to communicate in the English language. It's other things. It's the vocabulary. It's the what we call the joy of talking to people. It's not the language per se. Thank you very much. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon. If you enjoy my show, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Janpha channel, a channel for you to develop your English language skills for teachers and learners alike. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.